Here in this question, it says that let C1 and C2 be concentric circles such that the diameter of C1 is 2 centimeter longer than that of C2. So C1 diameter is 2 centimeter longer than that of C2. And if a chord of C1 has length 6 centimeter and is a tangent to C2, then the diameter in centimeter of C1 is. So let us say that the concentric circle, which means there is a circle, inside that circle there is another circle and the center is common. So this is basically the center one, and this you can say this is the circle 2. So circle 1 and circle 2, the diameter of circle 1 is 2 centimeter longer than that of C2, which means if the radius of C2 is x, then we can say the radius of C1 will be x plus 1, right? Or you can say that this length will be 1 centimeter. Next, it said that if a chord of C1 has length 6 centimeter and is tangent to C2, which means suppose if I say that this is a chord and the length of the chord is mentioned, this is how much, 6 centimeter length of the chord, and it is tangent on circle C2. So let's say this is the point where it is tangent and this point is T. So this is the circle. So now we know that if we connect O, and let us say this point is A and this point is B, so OB is basically the radius of the bigger circle, which is x plus 1, right? OT, where the chord touch the circle C2, basically you can say the tangent point. So there if we draw from the center, that will be perpendicular, and OT is nothing but the radius of the circle C2, that is x, and the length of AB is given, this is 6 centimeter, which means that the length of AT will be half of 6, or we can say 3 centimeter. Why I'm saying that this is half of this, because when we draw perpendicular from center to the chord where it is tangent, or directly we can say the to chord, any chord, that means what, let us say for an example this is a circle and this is a chord. So if you draw from the center perpendicular, the length will be exactly divided into two parts. So if this length from the point this to this is x, then in that case from here to here this will also be x. So using that we can say that AT is 3 centimeter. So now we know this becomes a right angle triangle, in which we can say that OA square is nothing but AT square plus OT square. So we'll use that formula, that AO square is equal to OT square plus AT square, right? And we know that OA is x plus 1. OA or OB are basically the same thing. So this is x plus 1 whole square is equal to OT, which is x square, plus AT, which is 3 square. Or we can say this is x square plus 1 plus 2x equal to x square plus 9. X square will get cancelled out. So 2 times of x is equals to 9 minus 1 is 8, or we can say x is equals to 4 centimeter. So now x is basically the radius of the circle C1. So radius of circle C2 is, radius of circle C2 will be 1 more, or we can say 4 plus 1, that is 5 centimeter. So the diameter will become just twice of the circle. So if this radius is 5, so diameter will become 10 centimeter. Hence we can say the diameter of the circle C1 will be nothing but 10 centimeter. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.